I'm in search of a paint stripper that is less toxic to me, environmentally friendly, and has an easy water cleanup as opposed to those standard chemical strippers. So let's compare these three. It's formulated for vintage pieces that were painted, varnished in 1960 or earlier. It'll work on later pieces, but perhaps not as well as something that is truly older than 1960. So if it doesn't come off all the way, I won't be terribly surprised, but I will be disappointed. I'm going to put some saran wrap or plastic wrap on there to keep that stripper from drying out, and then I'll go check the others. Yeah, that looks good. So far, this looks really good. Now, because this is not caustic to the environment, I don't have to dispose of it a certain way. I can simply gather it up in a paper towel, and that can go right into the trash can. They recommended 0.0. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, this is the Ready Strip. Oh, yes. Yes. Wow. I think I like this one so far even better. And by the way, there's tape on the inside of the drawer, because I've learned the hard way that, like paint stripper, can fall through those holes too and then lighten whatever spot it lands on, and I don't intend to do anything on the inside of the drawer. So getting a little gunky, so I'm going to put more water on it. Isn't that nice? I can do this with water and not something like mineral spirits. This one I'm going to have to keep the camera on the tripod because I'll need two hands since this material requires so much protective gear. The Jasco still left patches of finish that didn't come off at all there. And I thought I felt some over here, but maybe the steel wool took it off. All right, I'm gonna let these 3 pieces dry. And I'm gonna go inside to cool off because the Atlanta area is very, very hot and it's getting hotter as the days go by. And I need to go cool off. And this is another reason why I'm hoping to find a paint stripper that I can use indoors safely. So let me go in and cool off, get a cold glass of water. And when I come back, we'll figure out which one won the battle of the varnish and paint strippers. It's about an hour later. Let's go take a look. Okay. There's QCS. It did a beautiful job. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Here's Ready Strip. Almost looks like there's still debris maybe that I didn't wipe up all the way. The good thing is that it's simply clean up with water. And then the Jasco definitely still has finish. Yeah. I'd have to say that both the QCS and the Ready Strip did a great job, which is wonderful because now I can use something that is eco-friendly and not so toxic for me. Now, if I had to say one was better than the other, I would say this one marginally, I think, performed better, but there's a difference in cost. So I did a comparison. If you were to purchase a quart of this online, you can't buy it at retail locations, so that would be a con. At 32 ounces, it's $39.95, and with my tax, it came to $42.35. I think I used around 2 ounces. So this came to $2.64 for that one drawer. The Ready Strip I found at my Ace Hardware. So that's a pro for me. When I'm working on a project, if I need a product, I want it in my hands that day. So this can be purchased locally. Now this one came to $16.99 on the shelf, and with tax, it comes out to $18. So that makes it 56 cents an ounce. And I think I probably used about 3 ounces. So that came to $1.68 for that one drawer. So this one will go a little bit further, and this is probably the product I'm going to be using from now on. Now, if you have a favorite paint stripper that I didn't use in this particular video, please leave me a comment below because I'm always open for good products. I'm in the process of refinishing this dresser. I'm getting ready to strip the piece, which is why I did a test to see which of these strippers would work best. So I have probably another couple of days to work on that. So if you want to see the dresser, then hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell, and you will be notified when I post that video shortly. So until then.